In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to propose new meeting times in Google Calendar. If a meeting time no longer works, the quickest way to suggest a new time and make sure everyone is informed is to update the event in Google Calendar. In this walkthrough, we'll open your calendar, select the meeting, and edit the time so guests receive a clear automatic notification. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and signing into the correct account. Take a second to confirm you're viewing the right calendar and that your time zone looks correct. Mismatched time zones are a common cause of confusion. You can use month, week, or day view. Choose whichever makes it easiest to see the event you want to change. Next, locate and click the event you need to adjust. If your calendar is busy, the search bar at the top can help you find it by title or organizer. When the event card opens, you'll see the key details at a glance. If this is part of a repeating series, be mindful that any changes could apply to one meeting or the entire series. You'll be asked to choose that after you save. To make your change, click the Edit button, which looks like a small pencil. This opens the full event editor. Inside the editor, update the date and the start and end times to the new slot you want to propose. Double check the duration so it still fits your agenda. If your team spans multiple regions, glance at the time zone indicator to ensure it reflects the intended location. It's also a good idea to add a short note in the description explaining why you're adjusting the time. Something like a quick context line helps guests understand the change at a glance. While you're here, make sure the guest list looks right, so the correct people will be notified. When you're ready, click Google Calendar will prompt you to send updates to guests. Choose Send so everyone receives an email and an in-app notification with the new time. If it's a recurring meeting, you may be asked whether you want to change just this occurrence or the entire series. Pick the option that matches your intent, then send the update. Guests can respond with their availability as usual, and the event on their calendars will shift to the proposed time automatically. That's it. Open Google Calendar, click your event, edit the time, and send the update so everyone's informed. Follow these steps anytime you need to adjust a meeting, and you'll keep schedules aligned with minimal back and forth.